Hey everyone, if you're trying to export your Excalidraw drawing as a PNG file and keep getting an export failed error, blank images, incomplete exports, or downloads that never start, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw PNG export problems in 2026. You should also check your available system memory and storage space. Low resources can prevent Excalidraw from generating large PNG files successfully. Another helpful step is testing a smaller export area. Instead of exporting the entire canvas, try exporting only the selected elements to determine whether the issue is related to drawing size. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Browser updates often include performance improvements and fixes for canvas rendering and file generation. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact the Excalidraw community or support channels and provide details about your browser version, operating system, drawing size, and any error messages you're receiving. And that's how to fix Excalidraw PNG export failed problems in 2026. In most cases, reducing drawing complexity, updating your browser, checking download permissions, and clearing cached data will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.